Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since the last time I posted a video, so here I'll just show you my go-to makeup bag or pouch or whatever you want to call it. In case you might be wondering, that's my nickname written in there. Let's start first with this pouch. I got this personalized fold and zip makeup pouch from Pink Bell MNL. You can just go to their Instagram account. They also have other affordable personalized stuff there. What I also love about this pouch is it's very travel friendly and it has many compartments. It's not for me to say you love. So what we have here in the first pocket is my primer from Benefit and this blush from Nishido in the shade Tomato. So in the next pocket, what we have is my mascara from Fashion 21 and the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless from Maybelline in the shade 120. Here what we have is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals, which is my favorite. In the next pocket, what we have is the Bello Tinted Sunscreen Foundation from Fit Me Again from Maybelline and Infallible Pro Matte from L'Oreal. I also have my concealer here. As you can see, it's almost empty. So let's move on into the other side of the bag, where I put my brushes and other liners with mascara. This eyeliner is a gift from my cousin. I use it every day at work. This one is from Face Shop, my go-to eyebrow pencil. These two are other liners, a black and a brown one. The brown was a gift from my best friend. Another mascara because I almost finished the other bottle. It's from Benefit and a matte lip liner from Everbelem. And this one is an eyebrow gel from Pupfeel. Now let's move on to my brushes. These are just brushes that I use every day as pulley and a blending brush, I guess. Next one is a larger brush which I use for the face powder. And this one is a fan brush that I use for my highlight. And now we're down to the last compartment where I put my other stuff. This is my lip balm from Carmex. My Hoola bronzer from Benefit. My ever-trusted eyelash curler from Sansan. And lastly, my favorite go-to lip piece from Mastery Cosmetics. They have 4 shades, namely Boracay, Santorini, Paris, and Maldives. You can visit their Instagram account at Masteryco or Mastery Cosmetics at Facebook. Don't worry, I'll be linking their Instagram account or Facebook page in the description box below. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I enjoyed doing this and see you on my next one. Bye!